Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav Adwa, undergraduate student at IIT Ropar, India. Today I'm going to present our work Hyperrealistic Image Imprinting with Hypergraphs. This work is in joint collaboration of IIT Ropar, Monash University and American University of Sharjah. The task of image imprinting is to fill the missing pixels using the global information available in the image. Some of the major challenges for image imprinting are multiple possibilities to fill the missing regions in the image and the inability of conventional convolution neural networks to capture the global context of the image. Here we summarize the major contribution of our paper. We introduced an image imprinting network using hypergraphs to produce globally semantic completed images. We proposed a novel approach for computing data-dependent incidence metrics. And lastly, we introduced gated convolution in discriminator to enforce local consistency in the final output image. The proposed hypergraph convolution on spatial features helps to increase the receptive field of our network, due to which our network is able to understand the global context of the image. For hypergraph convolution, we need to determine the incidence matrix, which we define as a dot product of four data-dependent matrices. These matrices are produced using convolution on spatial features. Finally, using these incidence metrics, we compute the hypergraph convolution. This is a proposed architecture for the non-trivial task of image imprinting. We used two-stage coarse-to-fine network, where our fine network contains our proposed hypergraph convolution on spatial features. The coarse network roughly fills the missing region, which is naively blended with the input image. Then the refined network predicts the final result with sharp edges. We use gated convolution to improve our performance on irregular holes. The discriminator also contains gated convolution to enforce local consistency in the completed image. We use a combination of four loss functions to train our network. Pixel-wise L1 loss enforces pixel-wise consistency in the predicted image. GAN loss and perceptual loss predicts plausible results, and the edge loss helps us to predict sharp edges in the final completed image. We train our network on four publicly available datasets: Syllabi HQ dataset, Places2 dataset, Paris Street View dataset, and Facades dataset. Here is the quantitative comparison of our method with the state-of-the-art methods on Syllabi HQ dataset and Places2 dataset. We compare the methods based on five parameters, including PSNR, SSIM, FID, L1, and L2 distance. We can observe that our method outperforms all the other methods for both the datasets. Next, we show the qualitative comparison between our methods and the state-of-the-art methods on Syllabi HQ dataset. The last column represents our results on Syllabi HQ dataset. We can clearly see that our method is able to understand the global information present in the image. Here we show the qualitative comparison between our method and the state-of-the-art methods on Places2 dataset. The last column represents our results. As we can see that our method is able to understand the global information present in the image. To conclude, we introduced a hypergraph convolution-based image imprinting technique which uses a novel data-dependent incidence matrix. The experiments on the dataset show that our approach achieves state-of-the-art results both qualitatively and quantitatively. Thank you.